Hello guys, if you're watching this, that means you're watching the replay. So type hashtag replay and I'm going to wait until few of you hop on because I know usually Facebook takes 1 or 2 minutes for it to let everyone know. So until then, I'm going to wait. So let's see. And this was like what is it, like one of I would say most requested again, like my earrings. Hi Soumya, thank you for hopping on. I know you are middle of work, but thank you. Hi Prashanti, thank you so much for hopping on. So this one was hi Madhu. So hi Vanita. So guys, you are all on time. Thank you so much. That makes it easy. My husband was like, do you have to wait till 5 because it was little darker here. I think it's going to rain. So hi Vimi. Vimi, I know you have a live after this, so I will try to hop on. Thank you, Madhu. I hope what's like your daughter can wear it when she gets ready. We have 7. What is it? We have 7, Soumya. Sorry, I forgot. Did we say something? We have 5. Oh, okay. Oh, number you are counting. I was like, what do we have for 7? I didn't even see that number because I'm not used to seeing that. So that's why. Hi, Kirti. Hi, Shravani. So thank you. Hi, Kusma. So this was like, what to say, like I did see. I will send her one, don't worry. So I was like, I don't know when I started, mostly before my 2019 Navratri, I would say. That's when I started doing this. Because previously, as I always mention in my post too, I used to complain a lot before wearing the sari. In 2019, that's when first time I tried to what's it, like wear sari for entire 9 days. I don't think I ever did after my childhood. So so now I'm waiting for you to try the pearlizer, Madhu. You have a pearlizer expert too, so she will guide you. Thank you, Gayatri. Nothing like that. You all wear it really nicely. Hi, Bhav. Hi, Gajalakshmi. So that's when I started because I think I always say I get anxious if I couldn't achieve something. Like I think from when I had depression, it is one of the reasons it get kicks immediately because I would plan my day, and if even something goes wrong, I will get agitated and I will get anxious too much. Like, it was like my expectation will be my day has to go this way, and if it doesn't meet my expectations, I will get disappointed so much. Yes. So, enjoy, Bow, enjoy your lunch then. So, that's when we used to be part of, I think, Bhav and a few of us, we all used to be in a part of a group where we what is it, like it's women who get ready and post pictures. So it is like a very small group. They posted like I don't know how many you follow. They used to have different color saris for Navratri. Hey Rajalakshmi, thank you Raji, thank you for so much. Yes, hi Anu. Thank you for hopping on. I know you all will be middle of work when you are in West Coast, but it was getting dark already, so that's why I thought, okay, 5 should be fine like last week. So that's the first time I tried to wear sari all 9 days, not 7 days, 9 days continuously. And to be frank, my husband used to help me drape it by I think around 5:30 or 6 to get ready for the day. Like usual, I used to make my videos around 8:39. So they have to leave by 7:30 to office and school that time. All these before COVID, so you guys can remember. So yes, yes. That's when the 2019 I tried to drape these saris in the morning. So 5:30 he will help me drape it and he will go. And once I was ready, I will stay there for some more time. And that time that's what like I won't even have him to take the pictures. I used to have like a small mirror and I took my pictures only in that. That's how it all started. So that time what I did was I I started what is it like how do we call it, that's what, like I pleat it and keep it ready, so that way it makes it really easy to drape it early in the morning. And that became a practice for me, like whenever I want to get ready. And similar way, when COVID started, I started wearing sari every Friday to show it to my mom. Hi Shobna, thank you for hopping on. So every Friday I almost got ready for 6 to 8 months, and then everybody liked it, so I continued it for so long. So that's how I plan my days. So I thought, okay, I will show what I do, that way it will be really helpful. So there is no what is the like right or wrong techniques. I know many of you will drape it within a second or so. I'm not an expert. All these disclaimers I would like to give, but I will tell you guys what and all I do as part of mine. So when I said I'm going to drape, Kusuma was like, no, you cannot. I was like, Kusuma, I'm not going to be in the in-skirt and blouse. I'm going to be in my skirt. That's how I'm going to be. So usually I will do it in my pajamas. So let me show a few things. Let me adjust my camera so that I don't look. I know I'm already short, I think, since it was tilted. So the one thing I really like is, this is my, what is the like favorite thing. This is a Tiaboa saree silhouette. I don't know how many of you have it. This one I got it in 2019. But this is one, it really helped me to drape my saris, I would say. Now I have almost 5 of them, but this is more of a sari shaper. So what it does is it will give you that nice elongated shape. So to be frank, like I am a, what is it, like I am a double XL in Indian size, and I am a maybe a medium or large depending on the dress. But can you guys guess the size in sari silhouette of mine? This is similar to sizing, like they have sizing from what is it, like L, M, similar to that. So let's see who can guess the size of mine in sari silhouette, and then let me start my draping. So you guys can guess, I won't take it wrong. So if you have a guess, let me know. So as I said, I have ivory, I have black, I have blue, I have like a burgundy, I have a green. So you don't need what is it, like you don't need to pick a color for a silk saree, because silk saree will be thick. What did I see? Yeah, Madhu said small, medium. Yes. Hi Meenakshi, thank you so much. Yes, actually that's right. It's a small. So you can see it's a small, but it will give such, I think since I have a black, you couldn't see it, but you can see it stops here itself where compared to, is this, yes, it's a Tiaboa's sari silhouette. What is the sari silhouette? It is nothing but it's a sari shaper, Anu. So what it does is it gives that mermaid cut, and so it makes it easy. It holds really well. At the same time, it gives you a nice shape. It's more of a shapewear for your sari. That's all it is. So I am a S, and when you have, it's not an extra small, Gayatri. I wish it is, but not, I'm not an extra small. I am a small, and Shobna, it is shipped from Canada. Actually, I think some of the people do that too, but I like her quality. As I said, I've been having it from 2019. You can see it pretty much, you can, what is it, like, you can pack it so small. That's how, what is it, like, soft it is. Yes, Tiaboa will always have, what is it, like, sale. Yeah, so I started with the ivory and black. So basically you buy, if the sari is what is it, like, thin, that's the color you are going to pick. Yeah, she does so well, and the quality is, do we get anything for guessing right? Correct. You will get special prizes at the end of the video. I will do a raffle, don't worry. Yeah, yes, no, these are my inskirts these days. I don't use the, what is it, like, the cotton ones we do use to. So I do have I think, as I said, I have 5 colors. So basically you pick based on the sari that is transparent. Yeah, actually if you see, it is like I felt like I wore more saris after I bought saris allowed, to be frank. This one, Vanita, this one is I think I saw you live on Swati Shweta's thing. I will tell you the name. So she usually has sale. Tiago always has sale, like buy two get extra 10% or 12%, like year around she will have. So that's how I bought. And if you have friend closer, you can always combine and buy. So that's again good thing too. So let me show how I drape. So this is a saree I recently got. I didn't wear it yet, so I thought I will anyway do it so that you guys can see it. So let me start here. So so the assumption is first let's do like a single pleat saree, and then we'll do like a, do you guys see me or do you want me to tilt it a bit? I have found something similar in India that was really good too. Okay, hi Nitya. Yeah, I know there is a saree shape fair. I don't know whether Dolly Jane has it, but I felt like hers is been holding well. As I said, I literally use it every time I use. So I start here. This is like a rough I usually do when I have even a PJ. So this today it's a fancy, what is it, like a fancy skirt, that's all. Usually I'll do it on my PJ. I can drape it like 4 or 5 sarees at a time and I'll just keep it ready. So what I do is I keep my top part. Did I do correctly or did I do wrong? Which is the top and bottom. First I will see that part. Hi Kitty. I hope that's the right side. I couldn't even see it. I hope that's the right side. Okay, let's see. So you can keep it on whatever length you need to. I feel like I need a little bit more. So once I keep this size, I can start draping this pleats from here. Madhu, you haven't she refrained you from claiming anything. This live is not for claiming. Don't you know that? So always start here, so that way you will know where to start. So the other technique you will start is always have them like a a step instead of all of them one on top of each other. So when you insert it, it has to feel like this. That way it will have that flared effect when you do. So that's the other hack you will do. If you have watched Tiago's draping videos, she will do like a magic thing, like her fingers are so long, I think, so she will do immediately. But for me, I am not gifted to have that big of that. Should we call her? My CEO is busy on Friday evenings. He won't come. Yeah, I mean, because I feel like these saree sellouts will hold, whether it's been a silk saree or a silk cotton saree, it will hold really well. So do you see, this is a favorite hack of mine, where you need to have the pleats one on top of the other. Do you ever pleat? Yes, Anu, that's what I'm saying. So what I do is, once I pleat like this, I will put a safety pin here. Let me show. So I will put a safety pin on both sides, and then you can, yeah, actually I got the saree for my mom and my mother-in-law 2 years back, but after that I couldn't get it one for myself, because usually the colors whatever I see, they will be like a repetitive one, so I didn't have it. Thank you dear. because as I said, I am like uh, I get so mad if I don't get the results based on what I expect. Then I there will be a fight that goes behind the camera for me and my husband. So instead of that, I try to do these things priorly, so we can avoid all those things on that day. So if you see, once I do that, I will iron it. You can assume that you can insert it here, and similar way what I do is, nowadays as you know I am doing only the single pleat, but if you are doing if you are someone who wears pleated, then you can, after this you can do this too. So the trick is always start here. So this will be your first pleat. If you want a little larger one, you can do that too, but I like to keep like a maximum 4 or 5. That's what I can do, because I have a broader shoulder, so I cannot do it too, what's the like two small ones, and at the same time I don't like it to be transparent. Since these sarees are transparent, I like it to keep them equally pleated. So I think I need to adjust this, because doing all these priorly will really save your time on the day you wear it. For example, if you have a celebration at home, that day, you all know how long it takes for us to come to these kind of things. So if you have this one ready already, then it makes it easy, like as if you do like a ready-made saree instead of trying to drape at that time. So that's when I started to doing this religiously. Sometimes even I will have like if I have time, I will do 4 or 5 sarees at a time and keep them ready. That way, if I have to wear something, I will have something ready to drape. So I know it's taking a little bit time, but that's where your patience comes. You need to have the patience to drape these things. And I know most of you have a wonderful collection of sarees too. I try to utilize them first, because sometimes it makes me so guilty, because as you know, the amount of what we buy is not equivalent to what we wear generally. Thank you, Anu. Yeah, I really love the color actually. So what I do is, I will iron this part again. So you can actually put a pin again here, and I will straight away iron it actually. So I will bring my iron box and iron it. That way, the day I have to wear, it will be like literally like 2 minutes it will take time. That's all, you will be ready. So then I can concentrate on my accessories, my makeup, all those stuff, instead of me worrying about the saree. So you can see how long it is. Okay, I think it's pretty much good. Then you can just adjust this, and the other hack people use is, they use what's it called, hair straightener. You can use a hair straightener that you can you can press it so that these pleats will stay in place, and they won't move at all. So this is the other thing. Actually, you can see I have extra space here, but what you will do is, let me adjust this. But the other pleating hack is, once you do, you take this and you pin this side. Can you guys see? So you pin it to your right side, onto your right thigh. So my husband always gets scared that he will pinch me here. So this is how you're going to keep it, and then you can even do this if you want. If you want this side to be nice, I don't know whether you guys can see in this saree, maybe I'll move a little bit. So what you do is you pretty much start pleating this side also, so that you have that kind of what is it like, let me show, this way you will understand. I think once I take this, you will understand. Okay, can you guys see it? I don't know whether you guys can see. So when you keep this way, let me tilt it even a bit. Yeah, okay. So when you keep this way, you want, see, if you see, it's only 1 or 2 has come, but you can always take more pleats here and then pin them to wherever you need. I don't think this saree you will see it. I think in my Kasavu saree you were able to see it clearly. So that way you will have these kind of pleats on the sides. So that's another technique. You will pin it again here, and then you keep your saree on top of this. That way it will look like as if you got all the curvy shape. That's all it is. So once I hope I made it clear. I don't know how much you are able to see it in this saree and my striped dress. And once I do, what I do is I can just take the saree out and take it from the pleats. This is the central pleat we did. Okay, so if you see, I have the pleat here, so I can just take the remaining part of the saree and just fold it like this. And do you see the pleated side also? So you can keep all these together and just hang it along with your blouse. So the day you need to wear, it will take I wish it will be, but I have a sponsor who is watching, so I think my sponsor will give away that gift. The sponsor will send you like a surprise gift once you win it. So that's my saree hack. I hope I made it to an extent. I wish I have I wish I had my ironing table here, because I didn't thought I will do. Hi Shweta. So I thought just show you guys what I do, because I feel like just doing this one step ahead will really see, Madhu, you know correctly. Yeah, so doing this one step when you have time, see now it's only 5:24. Hardly it will take, if you do by yourself, it will take only 5 minutes, I would say. So if you do it like a previous day or even the previous weekend, it will really make it easy on when you have the occasion to wear. That is a surprise, Shweta, so you will get to know when she sends it. Yeah, because as I said, this doesn't the day I need to wear, I just need to pin it in both places. That's all. It's going to take time. Other than that, yeah, she will even sponsor everyone who watches the live. So that's how it is. And going forward, it made it the practice made it more better for me, because that is always right, Madhu, that is always she does, so she will do even more extra for all of us. So that's how I keep it ready, because I felt like instead of getting disappointed, or how we do for example, if I need to cook like an elaborate meal, having cut veggies cut ready or something like that, like those will save your time, right? Like even sometimes I used to measure the rice and keep it in a bowl or something like that. So I feel this is another hack that let me enjoy the process more rather than worry about it, because as I said, whenever we buy a sari, we envision ourselves to look in a particular way on that day, but when so many other things happen, we always neglect ourselves. Yes, Indian immigrant woman who is what is it, like having tough time in here. She is running an NGO and sponsoring all of us to be look more beautiful. So that is the hack. I hope I made it a little bit clear. I wish I had brought a what is it, like a sari that doesn't have a print. I think that would have made more sense for you guys to see the pleats or other things. But I thought anyway I need to drape this sari soon, so I thought okay, I will use this as my guinea pig for today. So that's what I did. Hope you all have a what is it, like wonderful Friday evening, and hope you have plans for the long weekend and enjoy it with family. I just have 3 more days of my life, and with that thank you, Shobna. Thank you so much. It was like, what is it, like, she had like a rainbow of colors. Like she had so many to pick from. I was like, okay, let me pick a color that I didn't have. So I ended up in this color, and again, I picked one more sleeveless blouse again. So I was like, yeah, why not? I will try a sleeveless blouse. So the sari came, yes, though, like Kusuma, what is it, like you have what do you call, like you envision more than us, but these are like for normal people like us, I would say. You Nitya, all sari vendors, most of mine are from India, I would say. I have few here. Maybe I will do one day on no, Vimi, you all do well. Like as I said, it's just to show what is from my side. It is a shop from US only, Anu. I will share the shop. It's I forgot her name. I think it was Sweta Karnati or something. I will share her page. I recently only got this sari. It was less than $40 for the sari and the blouse, I think, if I'm not wrong, 40 or 45, something like that. But I recently purchased it. It is maybe a linen, I don't know, I think so. Yeah, maybe I will share some of my favorites. Yeah, I know, Gayatri, I know, because I didn't buy, like, wait for a very long time. 45, okay, Gayatri, thank you. I'm so bad in numbers. That's why I say I call myself as a BSc math student. But if you ask me about remembering something, I'll be so mad. That's what, like, I remember it was like that's what from that range, but I didn't know. Yeah, I mean her varieties are really good, but this is my first purchase as for sari from her actually. So I do buy few people in US, but that all these started only after COVID. Hi Abhi, most of mine used to be from India, because the saris I use are my, what is it, like everything I got first 5 years of my marriage. That's how I should say, because after that only I didn't buy much for such a long period of time, because I didn't use, and those days I used to live in an apartment, so I won't have space to store all my saris. So every time I used to bring only like few and put back whatever I had. But after what is it, like 5 years back only we got this house, so then I brought all my saris when I went to India, and then with COVID I was able to use all of them, and I am thinking to do a 30-day saree challenge. I don't know whether I'm doing in June or July. So far I haven't. That's okay, Abhi, that's okay. You can always watch it on replay. So I am planning to do either in June or July. I don't know when I'm going to do, but I'm thinking to wear saree every single day. That way I can utilize whatever I have, and also I don't feel guilty for buying new ones. That's my plan, to occupy myself while being at home now, during my what is it, like break period. That will occupy me a little bit. At the same time, you can clean out your closet too. It's like a dual benefit. Oh, it's raining heavily here, so no walking today. So that's what I'm thinking of. If you guys want to, you can always join me. That would be really fun to get ready every single day. And as I was saying, I need to take a break and what is it, like uh, and do my pictures also, but I still haven't decided whether I'm doing this on June or July. So that way it will be nice to just to recollect your memories. That is one of my favorite part. Yeah, Shweta, I have like around 10 which I haven't used from my last trip itself. So sometimes it makes me feel guilty. Yes, Gayatri, that's what I'm thinking, but I haven't decided whether I'm doing it in June or July. I need to decide. Yes, I am planning to, what is it, like, do it in, what do we call? In series, like how we have everything in 1 week, like 1 week full of my wedding sarees, 1 week full of cottons, 1 week full of different varieties. Now that I'm trying to get different what is it, like weaves, so that will be nice to group them in different sections. So that way, let's see. As you know, sometimes if I over plan, it will never happen. So I need to take it. Yeah, Bita, and I was telling what is it, like Kusuma that day too. I need to do it, and also try not to repeat my accessories. That will be again another challenge to match the sarees. So that way I need to plan them ahead, like my grand ones around my wedding saree, and then plan the other ones. Like I wish my terracotta jewelry was here. Like I ordered so many, but it got stuck in India itself. My mom forgot to send me, so I wish those were there with me for my cotton ones. But I have enough to use for another 50 days or more, so I don't have to worry about it. But yeah, no, Madhu, you just saw my earring collection. I haven't shown my what is it, like my what is that, like my necklace and other things and all. So that is in different boxes. So that's what another challenge to be, right? Like, I mean, if you leave me in one place, I will keep using the same thing sometimes. So when I fix my mind to use something like that, then it makes it easy for me do. Yeah, maybe I will add them along during this get ready, because I asked my husband and he was like, sure, I will help you to do that, because I said, now that everybody is what's it, like trying to go back to office, I was like, please try to do this before you go to office. That way I will have my pictures. So my son also got his first shot, so hopefully this fall they all will be back to school and office. So yes, Aparna, I need to plan my what is it, like outfit, then makeup and accessories every day. So that's going to be a really challenge, along with having kid at home. But I will definitely try to do that. That's what my next plan was, to do a month of sarees. So anyone who wants to join, please do with me. That would be really nice to have you guys along with me during that time. And thank you so much for hopping on every Friday evening. It was really fun. I can't believe that I just have 3 more days to finish these lives, and maybe that's what, like, I will give you guys a break before I start again. That way you don't have to what is it, like see me often. So Thank you, Anu. Thank you so much for hopping on, and it really makes my day to hear from each one of you because I really appreciate checking on me because some days I feel high, some days obviously I feel low. Like it little bit disturbs me sometimes, and I still try to come up and do something every day. Thank you, Madhu. So let's hope this what is it, like 30-day challenge keeps me occupied, and also I get to show you guys my favorite saris and share the memory with you guys. So you all enjoy your Friday. I'm going to grab some food and I enjoy with family too. And see you all soon. Bye.